Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we change display size in our Oppo phone. Friends, you want to change your phone display size settings. So friend, how can you change? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we change display size. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it and once you can see this type of settings. So when we will click on this personal setting guys, tap here. Once click on your display size setting guys, tap here, then guys scroll. As you can see your display size setting guys, you can see default and this large size. So we will click on this large size guys, and we will apply for here, apply for here, and guys come back. So once you can see guys your display size will change in your Oppo phone device guys. So like that guys, you can change your display size from your phone settings. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.